Okay, Mr. Trump, do you understand why you're in court today?
No, I forgot.
Donald Trump has submitted a motion with the intention of granting US presidents an elevated status akin to that of kings. And there is a possibility that this motion could be successful, as suggested by an expert. On Saturday, a former prosecutor expressed the view that Trump's latest filing in the D.C. elections case, which seeks to dismiss charges of election subversion, may yield favorable results. The case is being handled by special counsel Jack Smith and overseen by Judge Tanya Chutkan. Trump's motion asserts that he is shielded from prosecution by presidential immunity, effectively asserting his invulnerability to legal action. Renowned former federal prosecutor Harry Litman has expressed his belief that the recent filing exhibits a distinct focus on conservative judges within the Supreme Court. This sentiment is shared by fellow former federal prosecutor Shan Wu, who, in a recent opinion piece, characterizes Trump's latest move as both audacious and unconventional, who further suggests that this strategy may indeed yield favorable results. New articulates. Former President Donald Trump's legal team has taken an assertive approach in their latest endeavor to impede the prosecution against him for alleged interference in the 2020 election. Their motion to dismiss can be described as an attempt to grant U.S. presidents an unprecedented level of authority, bordering on monarchical power. Wu elaborates on the matter, highlighting the 52-page legal motion filed in the D.C. case, which implores U.S. District Judge Tanya Chutkan to dismiss the indictment on the grounds of presidential immunity. Trump contends that this immunity shields him from any criminal prosecution for actions undertaken during his tenure as president. He states in the event that Trump's motion to dismiss, which is based on his claims of absolute presidential immunity, is deemed appealable pre-trial on an interlocutory basis, it is highly likely that the case will ultimately be brought before the Supreme Court. Despite Trump's previous disappointments with the SCOTUS not supporting his theories, this particular case may yield a different outcome due to its implications for the expansion of executive authority. Trump's appointment of 3 young conservative justices, namely Amy Coney Barrett, Neil Gorsuch, and Brett Kavanaugh, has resulted in a formidable conservative majority. This majority has demonstrated a tendency to favor the expansion of presidential authority under the unified executive theories.